भारत माता की शान हूँ मैं, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम हूँ मैं, जो वंदे मातरम कहकर गर्व से फूल जाए वो मुसलमान हूँ मैं। मैंने देखा था अजब नज़ारा जब मैं मौत की नींद में सोया था, तो हिंदू या मुसलमान नहीं पूरा हिंदुस्तान रोया था। Moreover, since Kalam believed that respect for other faiths was one of the key cornerstones of Islam, he was fond of saying, for great men, religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fighting tool. जब दुनिया ये कहती है कि हार मान लो, तब आशा धीरे से उनके कान में कहती थी, एक बार फिर से प्रयास करो। According to Islamic tradition, the Quran was first revealed to Muhammad in 609 CE. Over the next 2 decades, new surahs were dictated to Muhammad by the angel Gabriel, who was delivering the exact words of God himself. So, what a correlation between a Christianity and a Quran. Despite being revealed in a time and place where scholarship was of little concern, the Quran contains a number of interesting scientific facts. These scientific facts were not known to the people of Muhammad's era. In fact, a number of them have been discovered in the past 100 years. जिंदगी जीने का तरीका उन्हीं लोगों को आया है जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में हर जगह धक्का खाया है, जमाया है सर्द रातों में खुद को, तपती धूप में खुद को तपाया है, वही हुए हैं सफल जिंदगी में, उन्होंने ही इतिहास रचाया। Quran has said, then he returned to the heaven when it was smoke and said unto it and unto the earth. How deeply it is that the description of pre-creation heaven as smoke is significant, as modern cosmologists agree that the universe once existed as a mere opaque cloud. Scientists continue to observe new stars forming out of similar smoky clouds today. There was another very interesting fact about prenatal development. Quran has masterfully intricated that discussing the evolution of the embryo, Quran states, we created man from an extract of clay. Then we made him as a drop in a place of settlement firmly fixed. Then we made the drop into an alaq. The first thing we must look at to understand the above passage is the use of the word alaq. In Arabic, alaq is a homograph with 3 different meanings. It can be referred to a leech, a blood clot, or something that has been suspended. All 3 are relevant when talking about embryonic development. For brain anatomy also, little was known about the human brain in 7th century Saudi Arabia, which is what makes the Quran's verses on brain anatomy so fascinating. In Quran it is being said, let him beware. If he does not stop, we will take him by the nasiyah, a lying sinful. What is nasiyah? The front of the head. So the answer lies in the Quran's description of the non-believers nasiyah as lying and sinful. But we know after that the anatomy of the human brain has established the prefrontal area of a cerebrum as the center of motivation, planning and aggression. In other words, the front of the brain is responsible for our ability to perform evil or sinful act. It is also responsible for our ability to discern reality from fiction. This means that if you so choose, your nasiha can indeed be a sinful and lying one. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो आपको वहाँ पर मिलती हैं, ऐसे यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान, बार बार तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। ऐसे ही छोटे छोटे तिनकों से जुड़कर बना है हमारा सनातन धर्म, हिंदुस्तान, जिसमें इंसान को कभी ना कभी जिंदगी में ऐसा ज़रूर लगता है जैसे वो हार गया, क्योंकि सब रास्ते बंद हो जाते हैं। बट हेरिटेज इन सब बंद रास्तों का एक खुला दरवाज़ा है। जो इन हालात में ठहर जाते हैं वो वाकई हार जाते हैं, लेकिन जो सब रास्ता उनके लिए वाकई बंद हो जाता है, मगर वो थोड़ी सी जिद करके उठ खड़े हों और फिर से कोशिश करें, तो उनके लिए आसमान की बुलंदियां कम पड़ जाती हैं, उनके लिए आसमान की बुलंदियां कम पड़ जाती हैं।